Hello everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about a very important topic. The topic is about what is different between waterfall project management and agile uh, project management. Nowadays, most of the people across the globe, they are using agile methodology specifically in software development project, but we can use this method and even not on software development project in our life and our life growth activities that we are doing for our own personal business or for our professional business. So we can use agile methodology. Agile is a very important topic nowadays, and you can use agile for your own benefit nowadays because it is the main objective. Agile is to have a value delivery for the customer and even for yourself. You can use it agile for your daily activity. So this is the agile that make our life easy. Let's start the presentation about what is different between agile and waterfall. Waterfall, as name is clear, it means that a project like a waterfall will be started at the beginning, planning will be done at the beginning. After that, you should do all plan and design and document your plan and design, and then you can execute your plan step by step without missing anything. And after that, you should uh, uh, close your project and achieve your results. But you should wait. For example, if you want to have a project for 6 months or 1 year, you should wait to have the value, uh, the result for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. But in Agile, it is really different. So you can achieve the value continuously and you will achieve the result continuously. Let me elaborate this with very simple example that I have achieved a PMP through Agile. So you can achieve many activities through Agile. Agile is nowadays a methodology that you can use for your benefit, for the project management and for the your daily growth or your changes that will happen in your life. As I mentioned, it waterfall is it is way true, and you should do all training, design, requirement analysis, design and planning at the beginning, then document your planning, then implement your planning, and then deliver the product or service or result. So maybe it will take 1 month or 6 months. Think that if there will be a gap or a problem in somewhere, you should send all this activity back to design or to plan, and you replan it again. And even if you send a change request or submit a change request, like, it will be costly. But in Agile, you don't need this because Agile is depend on the change, and it uh, uh, just ask the people to work on the changes, ask the people to work on new innovative and initiatives. Uh, uh, Let me tell you, and as I have achieved the PMP through Agile, I can tell you that you can do it, uh, receive a PMP certification both in PM in waterfall way. That begin first, you should do all your planning and identify the suitable uh, PMI training provider, budget, exam fee, and also write your application, submitting your application, schedule your course. All this should be step by step, and you should write it in a plan. And then after that plan, you execute your plan. So it doesn't mean that we are not doing plan and agile. We are doing plan and agile too, but it's really different. It's really and like you do based on deliverables, based on a sprint. Each sprint is a deliverables for a project. So you can just break down all your project and achieve a chunk of activity within the deliverables and submit it to the market, and you can use that uh, sprint. For example, in case of PEP, think that if you go with waterfall first, you should do all your planning step by step and document your plan, and even you allocate your budget at the beginning. This much of amount of money you should spend for the PMP certification. The For example, 500 for the training courses, for 500 USD for training courses, 500 for exam fee, uh, around 500 for the materials and all this. It doesn't mean that we don't need this money for the Agile, but Agile is very different, because Agile don't say that you should have at the beginning 1,500 and start the project. You can say that you can just start the project, and through the value delivery, you can achieve, for example, you will achieve the training, or at the beginning, 35 hours of training. So you should just plan and start the training, and free training. If you cannot free training, you can find very cheap training, and you should start it. Don't stop to do all planning, and after that implementing the training and schedule everything step by step. You can do it without scheduling properly. Just start. After that, when you meet one objectives, work on the second objective and on the third objective. So each sprint that you have delivered, you have now value for that. For example, if you achieve 35 hours of training, so it means now you have that value in the market. Now you understand the terminology, and you understand some of the things about the project management. But in waterfall, most of the time you cannot. You should do all your planning and stay focused on that. But here, you are planning and starting, planning and starting, planning and starting, and delivering the value to yourself or to the customers. So Agile is a very good way. It means with your minimum resource, just produce maximum output, and don't wait for a proper situation that will happen. After that, you will achieve your goals and objectives. Just start something. Even if you do not achieve the PMP, but at least you will learn something. But if you wait for something, it will not happen. Yes. Thank you for that. I hope the difference between Agile and Waterfall elaborated in very simple language. Waterfall is a way through that you should wait 6 months or 7 months to achieve the deliverables. If the project is 6 months or 7 months, if it's 1 year, you should wait till end of the project to receive the value. But in Agile, it doesn't matter. You just start and receive your value on the chance, a small chance, within maximum 1 month, and use it for your daily activity. If you will deliver it to customer can use it. So this is the good way for the Agile. Thank you for watching this.